cats and dogs in Mumbai, but for the spirit of the tiger, scores of children have gathered here at NCPA in Mumbai only to save the tigers. Come with me.
The theme this year is what you're seeing going on in this hall. Thousands of kids, and what we are saying is playtime in paradise. We want them to grow up in a world that is safe and they are happy. Not only safe for them, but safe for all the other creatures which are the maintenance engineers of our planet. So the tiger is just a metaphor. The children have the greatest legitimacy to ask for a better world. My age, the Buddha party, we are in the departure lounge. These children, they are in the arrival lounge. They have the right to ask for a better world. And they have the legitimacy. And they have the innocence. And they have the real heart. As far as we are concerned, we've lived a wonderful life. We have no right not to give them a wonderful life. And everything will be all right. We know that, like a cut on your hand. So these children, bless them. They will be living in a better world than we live in now. But it should be as good as our great-grandparents lived in when they were their age.
This is actually an entire event where children get to come in, they get to do workshops, they get to do competitions, they get to listen in to a lot of information about the environment, and they really get to celebrate the environment. What you see behind me are children who have worked very hard for a fancy dress competition. So through this, they've learned about the species that they're wearing and dressed up as, and it's just a really lovely way for them to learn about species that do require protection, and it also allows them to celebrate the planet.
I am Kavya Gohil from Shada Mandir High School, and I have won the first prize of fancy dress.
Our kid participated in poster making competition, leaf art workshop was there, and this face painting and fancy dress is also there. We have participated.
Look at their faces, just look at them. They're beautiful, you know. I'm so happy that we are giving the children a simple message that nature is your friend. So Kids for Tigers is actually an adult literacy program. Each one, teach one. Each child, teach an adult, and the world will be fine again.
The thing is that you can learn whatever you learn in a classroom, but it is when you feel as a child that you have done something, and that sense of empowerment, even if it's for a day, that sense of ownership and empowerment makes a child believe that when they become adults, when they are going to be influencing policies, they have the ability to do that because they're learning it so early.
My name is Vedanti Dinesh Khedkar, and my inspiration was this is regarding Save Tigers. So I thought it would be better to do something about tigers. So I decided to do White Tiger.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.